Today I would like to talk about mental health, a topic that is very important and very close to our daily life. Before I begin, I want to ask you a simple question. Have you ever smiled from other people but carried when you were alone? Have you ever said, I'm fine, even when actually you were not talking? If your answer is yes, please know that you are not alone, okay? That is actually why I choose this topic today. Because nowadays, many people look happy, strong, and successful on the outside. But inside they are tired, stressed, anxious, and fighting silent battle every single day. They still smile, they still go to campus, they still work, they still help other people, they still post the happy picture on the social media. But deep inside, their heart feels happy. Okay? That's why mental health is something we must talk about, not something we should ignore. Mental health means our emotional, psychology, and social well-being. It affects how we think, how we feel, how we make decisions, and how we handle problems in a daily life. Mental health is just as important as a physical health. If our body is sick, people can see it. If we have a fever, people tell us to rest. If we break our arm, people quickly help us. But if our mind is tired, people often say, don't think too much, just be strong. Everyone has problems, it is only in your mind. But mental pain is real. Sometimes mental pain is even hard to physical pain. Because when your body is sick, people understand. People will be understand. But when your heart is tired, many people do not notice. Okay? Sometimes people are dying inside while still smile outside. And that is dangerous. In student life, mental health problems are very common. Students face many assessments, presentation, group project, exam, and deadline also. There is pressure from lecturers, okay? There is pressure from lecturers. There is pressure from parents. There is pressure from society, okay? There is even pressure from ourselves. Many students also worry about money. Of course, it's very worried about money. Tuition fees are expensive. Daily need continue. Some students must work while studying. Some students send money home to help their family. Some students feel guilty because their parents work so hard for their education. So this makes our body mental health is not good. This creates emotional pressure and questions start coming into the mind. So you always think, we are always think, can I be successful? Can I make my parents proud? Will I get a good job? What if I fail? What if disappoint every day? These thoughts might look smile, but if they repeat for every day, they become heavy, very heavy. Sometimes students cannot sleep because of overthinking. Sometimes they sit in class, but their mind is somewhere else. Sometimes they laugh with friends, but inside they feel empty. Sometimes they want to help pray. Sometimes they want to pray, but they do not know how to explain what they feel. This is the reality many young people face today. Social media also has big effect on mental health. Every morning, many people wake up and immediately check their phone, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp, and what do we see? So, the people looking happy, people traveling, people getting jobs, people making money, people looking beautiful, people having perfect relationship. Just everything looks perfect. Then we look at ourselves and suddenly we feel smile. We start covering. Why is my life not like that? You always say, why is my life not like that? Why I'm still struggling? Why are they moving faster than me? I am a failure. This comparison slowly destroys confidence. We feel left behind. We feel not good enough. We feel like everyone is winning aspect. Everyone feel like is not expect us. But we must remember something very important. But we must know social media so like not reality. Remember, it's not reality. People post smile, not breakdown. People post success, not sleepless night. People post achievement, not failure. Nobody posts every painful moment because nobody saw all their trust online. Everyone has a problem, even the people who look perfect, even the people we admire, even the people who look strong. So, like the point, if is fighting something, that is why conquering. You realize someone else's best moment is unfair. If stress continues for so long, it's because dangerous. People lost sleep. Actually, is the people like people lost sleep. People lost motivation. People feel sad every day. People become angry. Actually, people feel tired all the time. Some people experience anxiety, and that is usually someone experience panic attack, someone experience depression, someone begin to hate themselves, someone lost hope, someone lost anything what they thought, and some stop believe life will get better. So the man, our health is the road. This is why mental health must be taken seriously, not later, now. One of the biggest problem is silence. Okay? Many people keep everything inside. They are afraid to talk. They are afraid of judgment. Usually, people if want to talk with someone who is always afraid get judgment. They are afraid people will think they are weak, especially men. Society often says men should not cry, men should not cry, men must always be strong. Be strength is not meant hanging back. Something true strength is saying, I need help. Asking help is not weakness, okay? Remember, asking for help is not weakness. It is courage. It takes bravery to be honest. It takes strength to say, I'm not okay. And sometimes, just one sentence can save a life. So, how can we protect our mental health? Let me share some real and simple solutions. First, stop being too hard on yourself. Okay? Stop being too hard on yourself. Many people suffer because they expect perfection. Perfect rest, perfect career, perfect body, perfect relationship, and also perfect life. But perfection does not exist. It's okay to struggle. Life is not about being perfect. It is about continuing. Life is not a race. Everyone actually has a different journey. Some people success early, some people success later, and some people find their purpose at 20. And also some people find it at 40 and go to okay. You are not late, okay? Remember, it's you not. You are not late. Because many people get restrictions at 60, 50, and others. You are simply growing at your own time. The second, manage your time better. Many people start not because life is impossible, but because they delay too much. They say, I will do it tomorrow. Then tomorrow become panic. Deadline come, pressure increases, stress become bigger. Good time management can reduce stress, okay? Remember, don't do it in a negative way. Good time management can reduce stress. Make a small plan. You can make a small plan to one text first, then another. Small progress is still progress. Do not wait for motivation. So, the last I can say to come my conclusion is mental health is not a small issue. It's too real. It's distributed and it's part of every human life. We must care for our minds just like we care for our bodies, okay? And do not feel ashamed if you are tired. Do not be afraid to ask for help. We can do this. We can ask about help. Do not ignore people who might be suffering silence. Because when help is not only about a strong body, it is also about a peaceful mind. Okay? Remember, we are human, not machines. We need rest. We need support. Okay? We need help. We need kindness. And sometimes the strong people are the one that no one can see. So let us be kind because everyone is trying everyone is trying something even if they never say it. If you feel regret, if you feel sad at heart, and if you feel stressed, ask for help. If someone else look lost, reach out because mental health matter and you matter to be success. Okay? Set your mental health and you will make your body good. I am Nabi Sidana and the last I want to say thank you. See you next time.